All right, good day, folks. So all of the headlines are focused on the tariff talk, and for good reason. And that had the equity market spooked to start the Sunday session and trading into the first part of the week. Now, asset class or market segment that I've always gravitated to, in fact, it's where I've cut my teeth in the markets in the first place, are the commodity markets. Now, we talk about commodities, we're talking about physical commodities such as metals, such as energy, such as grains, softs, which include coffee and cocoa and cotton and sugar, meats such as cattle and hogs. But then we also are able to track smart money movement across paper or financial assets as well, such as foreign currencies and the US dollar, even crypto now, interest rates, a 30-year, 10-year, 5-year note, indices, S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, Russell, even the VIX, and the Japanese Nikkei index. And so while all of this talk are about NVDA and Meta and Microsoft and the FANGs and all of this, we can quietly come into the commodity market and position ourselves for some very, very nice moves. And what we do is we take this data every single week here, and we are looking for the big shifts and waves and movement of the commodity markets, whether it is in cattle or whether it is in wheat. And we are heavily positioned in the grain market because we have been tracking smart money, and these markets are making a move higher when everybody is worried about the next hot tech play. In fact, I publish ideas every single week. I sit down at my desk, I send a video out to all of our members here, following and tracking these trades with you in real time. We're putting real capital here into these. So we're meeting first targets here in corn stops, now locking in 30 cents. March soybean oil, locking in $2,400 a contract, now in a risk-free trade, providing updates here throughout the week on the next commodity set to make a move. And we do this with not just futures or futures options. We do this, a large majority of these trades can be taken with ETFs, options on ETFs, and there's even several comparable stocks that move in line with these commodity contracts. So if it's something you've ever been curious about, ever been interested in, I'm going to be hosting a free workshop on how we tackle this, how we do this on a weekend basis. And I'll hyperlink you to that page and see you there.